What I like about Astoria is the market. I think Celebration is a terrific city. It was master planned by Disney in the 90s. It's a very unique town. White picket fences everywhere. It's got this quaint downtown that looks like it's downtown Disney. And it's very hard to get real estate there. It's a high premium location. But what I like about Astoria and its location is it's right off the freeway. Just outside of Orlando, which is a high growth economy, very diversified employment. It's in a no income tax state in Florida, and a lot of people are moving to Florida from all different parts of the country. I see a lot of growth in Florida, but what I like about Orlando in particular is it avoids some of the negatives associated with Florida. It's inland, so you don't have to worry about hurricanes necessarily. It's pretty well insulated from that. And from a real estate perspective, you don't have to worry about insurance premiums as much. But I really like the employment opportunities. I like the location of Celebration. I like how unique Celebration is as a city and a great lifestyle.